Passive income may be a terrific strategy to help you produce extra cash flow, whether you're running a side business or just wanting to acquire a little extra money each month, especially while inflation rages across the economy. When things are good, passive income may help you make more money. It can also help you get by if you suddenly lose your job, decide to take some time off work, or if inflation keeps eating away at your purchasing power. In this video, we will be sharing with you the top 8 passive income streams which could change your life in 2023. Now let's start with the first stream. 1. A high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit (CD) investment. In essence, a certificate of deposit (CD) is a timed savings account. For as little as 6 months or as long as 5 years, you invest your money. A certain interest rate will be offered by the bank when you make a deposit, and it will be transferred periodically into your CD account, often monthly. As interest rates rose from years of almost zero to as high as 5% in recent months, CDs have gained popularity. For instance, a CD from U.S. Bank that matures in 19 months, just over a year and a half, can earn up to 4.7%. In order to get compound interest on your earnings when the CD matures, you can roll it into another CD if you so want. 4.7% gain on a $10,000 19-month CD is equal to $470, so keep that in mind. 2. Stocks that pay dividends. A corporation will pay you on a regular basis if you invest in a stock that pays dividends. Most businesses pay out dividends on quarterly schedules, and the greater shares you hold, the more dividends you'll get. Dividend-yielding ETFs and mutual funds are options for investors who don't wish to choose specific equities. It's important to remember that even high-yield equities need a sizable initial investment to earn a sufficient return to support a family. As an illustration, AbbVie is a firm that is referred to as a dividend aristocrat since it has consistently paid dividends throughout its existence. There are few dividends paid, at about $5 per share a year. Owning 8,000 shares of AbbVie stock, valued at $1,272,000 as of March 29, 2023, will be necessary if you want to earn $40,000 annually from it. To create a comprehensive investing plan that suits your financial objectives and risk tolerance, it may be beneficial to seek advice from a financial advisor. A financial advisor service like Wiser Advisor is an illustration of how it can put you in touch with certified financial advisors in your neighborhood who can offer you individualized investment advice and direction. If you are interested in knowing more financial tips, then just subscribe our channel and also click the like button. 3. Online courses. You may make money from a special gift or expertise you have by turning it into an online course. Many people earn passive income by creating online courses as their primary source of income. After the first work is done, this may be a terrific method to generate money because the upfront expenditures are quite inexpensive. You will only need to develop each course once, assuming that it is evergreen, or that it will stay current for a while. It then turns into an asset that you can sell repeatedly without having to put in any further work. Additionally, you may use this revenue-generating strategy in conjunction with freely available materials on other websites, such as YouTube channels and audiobooks, to promote your course and improve your personal income. 4. A vending machine. A profitable way to make additional money is to buy a vending machine, place it in your company, or open a new vending machine business in a particular area. For the vending machine's initial purchase as well as the provision of the goods to be sold, you will want a few $1,000s. You simply need to spend money maintaining the vending machine after it is set up by replenishing and maintaining it. If you are ready to give up earnings, you might choose to outsource these jobs. Once again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Investing in real estate through a real estate investment trust, REIT, a fund that invests in real estate and gives you a sizable dividend, might result in a less stressful, if less profitable, return on your investment. You don't have to buy and manage your own real estate if you use REITs. Instead, you invest in stocks of businesses that hold commercial real estate, including office buildings, hotels, and apartment complexes. You'll get consistent dividend payments in return. However, at the dividend stocks previously discussed, you might need to put down a substantial sum of money to earn a return that would allow you to support yourself. 6. Leasing out a parking spot. You may make money by renting out a parking space or other area on your property that you don't use to other people. Some people might wish to leave their automobile parked while they vacation or as they commute to and from work. You may even think about renting out a spot where people can park big vehicles like RVs or boats if you have the resources to do so. 7. Property investment. You must buy, prepare, and maintain a property in order to generate a consistent rental income. Once built, you may use it to generate a consistent revenue, whether you're renting it out temporarily or permanently. A website like Realty Mogul can be a good option to look into if you want to invest in real estate but don't want to manage a property yourself. On the real estate investing website Realty Mogul, people can put as little as $5,000 toward the purchase of commercial real estate. Investors have access to a variety of real estate assets through the platform, including residential and commercial rental properties, as well as construction projects. You may be able to generate rental income without the headache of property management by investing in a diverse portfolio of properties through various websites. 8. Affiliate marketing. When you share and suggest things to others through affiliate marketing, you get paid a fee each time the person makes a purchase. Social media, websites, and email newsletters are common platforms for people to post their affiliate links. This passive income stream would not require a big financial investment, but it might require some time and work to get off the ground. People with fewer than 1,000 followers find it more difficult to convince affiliates to add them as partners, and when you have 50,000 or more followers, you start to make the most money. According to a poll conducted by the influencer marketing site Hype Auditor of self-identified influencers, mega influencers with more than 1 million followers earn an average of $15,356 per month, while micro-influencers with 1,000 to 10,000 followers make an average of $1,420. Now you know all the passive income streams. Do comment below that which of these you love the most and have thought of starting in the future. Also let me know that which of these you have already started. Don't forget to press the subscribe button to regularly watch videos related to finance. Also press the like button. Thank you for watching.